Morning girls. Today we continue with English language and we'll do today the conjunction. Okay? The conjunction. Now first let's read few sentences to understand what is conjunction. He tried but did not succeed. Next, 2 and 2 make 4. Now, in the first sentence, conjunction joins together two sentences. Two sentences. He tried, did not succeed. Two sentences are joined together with the word conjunction but. In the second sentence, conjunction joins together two words. 2 and 2. Make 4. So, conjunction, you know, it is a joining word. It joins two words or two sentences. Now, some sentences where conjunctions are used in pairs. Some conjunctions are used in pairs. Pairs, that is, pay attention to the sentence. Either take it or leave it. These are pairs, either or. And some more examples of pairs like neither nor. Not only but also. These are pairs, you know. Okay. So these are conjunction. Neither nor, not only but also, either or. These are conjunctions. Next one. Two independent statements. Okay, conjunction is used to join two independent sentences. Birds fly and fish swim. So fish swim once and the next is birds fly. These two independent are joined by a conjunction and. Next, one sentence depends on another. Let's see this example. Will you wait till I return? So I return, it depends on the first one. Will you wait till I return? Okay, so it depends on the other one. Before that we did independent. This depends. Next, to understand, certain words are used as preposition and conjunctions. Okay, some words they are used as preposition also and conjunctions also. So you have to pay attention to your sentence to understand that. The first one, let's see. We shall stay here till you return. This is conjunction. We shall stay here till you return. Now, you know what is preposition? Before I continue, let me just remind you. Prepositions are placed before a noun or a pronoun to show relation. Now, as I'm just reminding you what is preposition, they are word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show relation. Now see this next sentence. Stay till Monday. This is preposition. Okay? It is showing relation between stay. Someone is asking you, please stay back till Monday. So, relation between stay till when? Till Monday, that is preposition. So, here it is preposition, here till is conjunction. Next, look before you leave. This is conjunction. Here before is conjunction. You know what is conjunction? Joining two words or two sentences. So this is conjunction and the same word before now. Let's see the next sentence. He stood before the painting. Here before is preposition. Right? Here it is used as preposition and here it was as conjunction. So you have to be careful where it is used as preposition and only certain words. Right? Now, next point. Point out conjunction. In these sentences, you have to find conjunctions. First one. We arrived after you had gone. Find this conjunction in this. You know, where is the conjunction? We arrived after you had gone. I'm sure you can find out. This is conjunction, joining. We arrived, you had gone. Okay, this is depending on this, we arrived. So this is conjunction. Next, I waited till the train arrived. I waited till the train arrived. You know, where is the conjunction? This is your conjunction. Point out the conjunction. Next, catch me if you can. Where is the conjunction? Catch me if you can. This is conjunction. Right? Next, he is richer than I am. Find the conjunction. I'm giving you 1 second to try yourself. He is richer than I am. Did you find out? This is conjunction. Then I am. Next, bread and milk is wholesome food. Found out? Where is the conjunction? Bread and milk is wholesome food. This is your conjunction. And now, some more sentences I have written. I'm just reading out. You will underline yourself. It's easy. She was sorry after she had done it. She was sorry after she had done it. Underline yourself. The next sentence. Is that story true or false? Underline conjunction. I hear that your brother is in London. I'm reading out. You can underline later on. I ran fast but missed the train. Make hay while the sun shines. Now, next exercise. Fill in the blanks with conjunctions. First one, is his name Sen or Gupta? Okay, the first one is or. I'm calling out the answer or Gupta. Second one, there is no doubt dash the earth is round. You have to fill that with conjunction. She is witty dash proud. Fourth one, will you kindly wait dash I return. Next, he tried hard dash did not succeed. They left dash we return. Next, time dash tide wait for no man. Next, I know you better dash he. So this exercise, you fill these blanks with conjunction. Okay girls, now revise your conjunctions well first and then continue with the exercise that I have given, and you can do the same in your book what is given. God bless you.